Hello, my name is Neil Poulter. I'm Chair of Preventive Cardiovascular Medicine at Imperial College London. I'm a past president of the British Hypertension Society and of the International Society of Hypertension. I'm absolutely delighted to be here at this 44th meeting of the French Hypertension Society. Delighted to have been invited to come along to join several other international speakers and lots of colleagues from France with whom we've worked in the past. My particular interest, and I think the reason I was asked to speak here, was around a project called May Measurement Month, which is a global screening campaign which I introduced as president of ISH in 2017. And the idea really was based on the fact that we know that there's a massive downside to high blood pressure. It's the biggest single killer and source of global disability. And that is down to raised blood pressure. And we're not going to be able to do anything about that unless we control the blood pressure. And we can't control it unless we treat it. And we can't treat it unless we've measured it. So that was the idea. Realizing that about half people with hypertension around the world haven't had their blood pressures measured. They don't know that they've got raised blood pressure. So we've got to do something about that. That seemed the biggest gateway to improve this morbidity and mortality down to blood pressure. And that's why MMM started. Now, to date, we've screened about 7.5 million people around the world. And I'm delighted to say that colleagues in France have been very helpful in screening people in France. So a big thank you to them. And I hope that the rest of this meeting is as good as it's been so far.